To fix a GE front-load dispenser that won't drain, it's essential to understand that clogging is often the main reason for this issue. Prolonged use of the dispenser without proper cleaning can lead to a buildup of detergent or softener, blocking the channels in the dispenser drawer. Regularly cleaning the drawer can resolve the problem. Start by pulling the dispenser drawer out until it stops. Then lift it from the front end to remove it from the dispenser box. Wash the drawer in warm water using a mild detergent, and only remove the siphon caps if necessary for cleaning. Once cleaned, replace the siphon caps securely if removed, and soak the detergent drawer in warm water before putting it back. After cleaning, mount the drawer back into the dispenser box, and the issue should be resolved. This simple cleaning process can easily fix a clogged GE front-load washer fabric softener dispenser.